What is up you guys? Ron here and welcome back to the channel. In this week's video, I will be sharing with you the 4 GoPro perspectives that you need to know and how you can go about to capture them. Without further ado, let's go! Number 1. The handheld perspective. This is probably the most common perspective out there and my personal favorite. Handheld mounts are extremely versatile because you can easily switch back and forth from a selfie to an outward facing POV. More than that, handheld mounts add great levels of stabilizations for your photos and videos, especially if you are doing a follow cam like this. Now, here is a pro tip to ace that selfie game. Be aware of the environment that you are in and the subject that you intend to capture. For instance, in this picture over here, I wanted to capture this amazing lavender field that Celine and I were at. So what did I do? I captured the selfie from above. That way, I was able to create a focal point with Celine and I as the center and the lavender field around us. In another example, this one here, I wanted to capture the sunrise at our amazing accommodation perched on the mountaintop. So instead of your typical selfie with your hand stretched out, I decided to stretch my hand out further and above my eye line. That way, with the camera directed towards us downwards, I was able to capture the sunrise, Celine, and our accommodation. Last but not least, shoot your selfies vertically because that will create a taller image. It's as simple as that, you guys. Number 2. Body-mounted perspective. These are GoPro's most iconic shots. These shots allow your audience to be you in your situation because it captures your arms and your body while you are doing your activity. These are truly the most immersive shots out there. So if you are doing an activity and you want to bring your audience on your journey, hey, try considering some of these shots over here. So, here is a pro tip to capture the widest ever POV for body mounted shots. Use the GoPro Max and capture it in 360. For instance, in this particular video over here while I was wakeboarding, I mounted the GoPro Max on my bike mount. Like this. And I captured it in 360 and reframed it in post to what you are seeing on screen right now. Number 3. Gear-mounted perspectives provides another hands-free alternative. This is ideal when you are engaged in an activity that involves various equipment such as helmets, bikes, handlebars, kayaks, or even your car. Gear-mounted perspective allows for immersive in-action shots where you want yourself in the shot, but at the same time, you want to focus entirely on the activity. This is truly another immersive perspective that you have to try out. My pro tip here is to always be curious and inquisitive to look for interesting areas to mount your GoPro camera while doing your activity. Whether it's underneath your bike, on the kayak itself, or even outside the car. That way, you can truly find unique perspective to share your stories. Number 4. The stationary perspective. Stationary shots are typically used when events and activities are happening within a specific area, such as sunrises or sunsets, or even cooking at home, like this video. These shots can be achieved with a tripod or simply placing your GoPro camera on a flat surface, like this. It's as simple as that. Pro tip, use time-lapse photo at 0.5 seconds to capture interesting action sequences like this, and you can actually transform it into a video GIF in post. How cool is that? And that's it for this week's video, my friends. I hope that you have enjoyed my 4 GoPro go-to perspective. Let me know in the comment section what your favorite perspectives are. And till then, I will see you in the next upload. Bye!